welcome and welcome back. What is this? Hi you guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ricky. If this is your first time seeing my gorgeous face. Anyways, you guys, today I'm filming. This is a Sunday reset vlog, but like think about it like a weekend reset vlog, right? So yeah, I'm just going to be restarting my entire week basically, and you're going to be restarting my week with me. I tend to look down, so you might think I'm reading something, but I'm really not. I do it all the time, but I'm not. I don't know what that was, but that was disgusting. Anyways, yeah, I just finished filming a video. It's a what's in my backpack video. I don't know when that video is going to be up. I don't know if this video is going to be up before that one. I don't know if that one's going to be up before this one, but whichever way you see it, have fun, okay? Yeah, you guys, I have my first video to hit over 100, almost to hit over 200 views, right? And it's currently at, I think, 500 and something. I filmed this video, I posted the video like 4 days ago, and I'm so excited, you guys. I want to show you like the analytics for this video. It's ridiculous. I'm so excited. It's my hygiene routine video, and I'm just so excited to see the progress the video is making and everything. So let me show you guys. This is the video. Right now it has 406. Right now it has 506 views, and I just got 8 new subscribers from this one video that I posted like 4 days ago. And that is like ridiculous to me. That is so ridiculous to me. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, I'm so grateful. And right now I have like 89 subscribers. I keep saying followers. I have 89 subscribers, and I can't wait till I have 100. Like when I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to drink 10 cans of soda. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm kidding. I just love soda a lot. And I know in that video I said not to drink. I said don't drink soda. Don't drink too much. Why is my intro like 2 minutes long? Anyways, you guys, my room is a mess. Like, you might think my room is clean and put together. My room is a mad mess. It's to be cleaning my room, doing laundry, doing all that fun stuff, doing schoolwork, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications, tell a friend to tell a friend, put it on all the TVs in your house, make your mom watch it, make your dad watch it, make everybody watch it, okay? Because hello. Anyways, you guys, I'm getting way better at doing my makeup. Like before. My makeup used to be so horrible. Like I used to scare myself. But you guys, look. Doesn't it look cute? Or am I delusional? I saw a girl that posted her makeup on TikTok, and I actually really like this girl a lot. I'm not naming names. And she was like, like, wow, like look at her makeup. And I was like, and everybody in the comments was like, So I hope you guys are not watching me like, your makeup is what? But if you think my makeup is not nice, please don't comment it down below. Don't let me know. Don't tell me, okay? Don't tell me at all. Don't tell me. You see opinions, I hate them. Keep them to yourself, okay? Keep them to yourself. I'm ready to do my drop. Today is Friday. I'm going to the mall with my friend. I still haven't done my nails yet. I need to go and take a shower and do some other stuff before it's time to go. That's really it. Having to film for like YouTube and film like short form content at the same time is so freaking stressful. Like it is so flipping stressful. Okay, I'm going to go because I can talk a storm if you let me. Bye bye.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both gears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my LA, you selling action. These days, no Kumaye. Let's be blasting. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances.
Okay guys, the cleaning party is about to commence. Hopefully one day my eyebrows will grow. I don't know when that is.
how it all began. It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. And do you remember? Back in the fall, we did again all day long. Do you remember us holding hands? Remember each other's eyes we stare. Tell me, do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we first met, girl? Oh, do you remember the time? Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we first met, girl? Oh, do you remember the time? Do you remember how we used to talk? You know, we'd stay on the phone at night till dawn. Do you remember all the things we said? Like I love you so I'll never let you go. Do you remember back in the spring? Every morning birds would sing.
Hi you guys, if you're seeing this part, that means you've made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for 164, I believe we're at 164 subscribers, and that is just so like mind-blowing and exciting. Let me make sure. If I go there and somebody else unsubscribed. Yeah, we're 164 subscribers. You can't see because it's too bright. But yes, thank you guys so much. All the love on that video, like the what's on my iPhone videos, all the comments, it make me so happy. Every time people comment on my videos, it makes me so happy and so excited. Today is Friday, the 29th. So spring break for us has officially started, and I'm filming another vlog. So you guys, I'm going to post this video tomorrow, so I'm going to read the comments. If everybody's like, yeah, let's do more sit down videos and less vlogs, that video is not going to happen. But I want to do like, I want to try and wake up by 5 a.m. and have like a productive week, the entire week of spring break. Anyways, that being said, thank you guys so much for all the subscribing and subscriptions and stuff like that.
Let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to the slots in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that